Hey there, friends. Hola, chicos. Spring is returning here in Mexico City, and with it, the days are getting longer. The afternoon rains have come back, and the mosquitoes are biting my neck at night. There's a slight chill in the air this morning, and I'm looking forward to the day ahead. Let's get started with some herbal tea, some yoga, and see what the day has in store for us. Damn, I spilled my tea again. Why do you want to change anything, man? It's just the way things are, bro. I don't know. That's what I think sometimes. There are a lot of things in the world that need to change. So maybe it's just a difference of perspective between an eternal lens and more of a momentary one. That feels good. Now let's get some work done. This piece represents for me something of the mysterious nature of the feminine in both her creative and destructive aspects. The creator of life, the destroyer of illusion. Listening to John Frusciante and seeing how life doesn't reveal itself in its fullness until we recognize the things we love are dying, even as we hold them close. A year ago, I stood in Plaza Aguilita, watching my ex-fiancée load her things into some guy's car and drive away. At the time, I could not know it would be our last goodbye. When I first heard this song, it was a summer 14 years ago. My lover at the time, she and I were staying in my house in Dallas, the blazing heat punctuated by our nightly embraces in an attic room cooled by a window unit AC. It was a tender moment lost in the mix when she moved out later. And now standing on the roof of my apartment in Mexico City, watching the sun rise, and wondering where I will be some months from now, if life will take away this sunrise and turn it into something new. How do we let go, even as we hold on to the beauty of each experience? The will to death, it's what keeps me alive. It's one step away, step away. And so it is the fleeting nature of experience which gives such meaning to these connections and moments we share. I'm going to endeavor to remember that as I go through my experiences and connections with others. Gracias por acompañarme. Espero te gusta mis videos semanal. I hope you enjoyed my video this week. Please click that subscribe button and notification bell so we can stay connected. And as always, I love your feedback, so leave a comment down below. Until next week, take care of yourselves. Cuídate, mis amigos. Te amo.